In this video, I will show you how to fix Panasonic TV No Signal problem. Before we get started with the tutorial, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to troubleshoot this issue, the first thing that you'll need to do with it is when you're using a cable service, check that all connections are secure, and then after that, when using a cable or satellite box, change the connection to composite component or HDMI. So if you're using an antenna, then check that connections are secure. So change the position or direction of the antenna and check the signal meter. Now press menu on your remote control and then select setup and then press OK. Now select program channel and press OK, and then refer to the operating instructions to reset factory defaults and refer to how to program channels, scan for channels. So press the down button to select signal meter and press OK. Process may vary by model, but some models may require first time setup by following the on-screen menu. And that's basically how you can fix Panasonic TV No Signal problem. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.